We're in a house right now. Treehouse neighbor 1, treehouse neighbor 2. So many tree houses. Apparently we had to lock everything up just in case the monkeys went in our room and steal all of our shit. Look at the size of this one, dude. Yeah, how much was this a night?
It was 6,000 baht total, so it was about 100
bucks?
It was about 120 bucks each for a full 2 nights and a full jungle tour, 10-hour jungle tour.
Planned ahead of us. We just woke up in a treehouse, first time in my life actually. And we got a full lake tour, so we're going kayaking, jungle hiking, swimming. We got lunch and dinner out there as well. Got a private driver too.
Before, in here, around here, we have a jungle with small river. But when we block water, water is flood. And now that small river is already will be lake, something like that. Clean with soap or like water is double pain. Nothing can help you. This is so terrible.
So what happens after you touch it? Like, does it burn your finger off?
No. They have a very small needle and they inject into your skin and make you pain and very hot. They have a needle around the leaf. Around it. Cannot touch. Yeah. When you touch, it's burned. 6 hours. Yeah. When you are hiking in the jungle, you will hear one sound, the big sound like boom, boom, like a bomb. This is from bamboo, because they have water inside, and the temperature is quite hot, and they have a gas inside and get bomb. Yes.
Finished up our 45-minute hike in the jungle. It's pretty cool. Saw a lot of cool insects, a lot of cool trees, bamboo everywhere. And I didn't know how fast bamboo actually grew, but they can grow up to like 50 meters in like 10 days, which is pretty cool. But yeah, me and Joe left all of our money at the treehouse, so we've been starving all day. No sunscreen, that's why I'm wearing a long sleeve shirt. But we're off to the boat, and then the boat's going to bring us to a restaurant where we have a lunch that we already paid for. So who knows what that's going to be. But yeah, we'll see you guys when we get back.
After your lunch, you have tea and coffee.
Yeah, please have to matter.
What are you eating, bud? What are you eating? I actually don't know what these are. Well, it tastes like potatoes a little bit. Tomato/potatoes, rice, steamed veggies, and that fish right there. Very nice.
Wrapped up on lunch.
Wrapped up on lunch. Hey, you want to go look at some plants with me? No?
So This entire thing is like a floating island of these big plastic floaties. Hey man. Oh bro, I'm just trying to get some freaking Z's, dude. I feel violated, dude, on camera, man. Camera on my face, dude. This is a public area. Are you kidding me right now? I'm joking. I paid money to come to this park, okay? This is my national park. So Burke thinks that this lake is chlorine water, so shut the f up. Now we just have an hour of free time, so we can go kayaking, but swimming. I think we're just gonna lay on this artificial grass, you know? Reminds me of Scullard Hall.
Yeah, it's a good place to be, man. It's a good sanctuary for us.
We're still so hungry. Peace.
Dude, stop touching me.
Oh god, Joe. Pissed me off today, man.
Dude, I didn't, man. I lied. Hold on.
Dude, I need a ham and cheese.
You need a hand job?
No, I need a ham and cheese from 7-Eleven. If we don't get food for tonight, I'm gonna shoot myself, dude.
See when Burke shoots himself.
So we just got back from our lake tour. More of just like a boat ride, you know. But it was fun.
As you can see here, there's 3 rocks.
As you can see here, this tree has another tree living on it.
Okay, it wasn't too bad though. Can't hate too
It
much.
was fun, but like I was miserable because we forgot all of our money for the whole day. We had no money all day, so we couldn't buy anything to eat or drink. And we had a super small lunch, which was rice, fish, chicken curry, and some vegetables. Pretty good, but you know, like that was a snack for me.
I got filled
So
up.
welcome to the Treehouse Century. Treehouse number 1, Treehouse number 2. We got the best one though. 4 people in there, 4 people in there, 4 people in there, 4 people in there. You can have like a treehouse party, man. I say we get a group and do that.
Sounds like a splendid old time, man. See, they're supported by like tree, and a massive freaking house. This guy's a genius, man. Little balcony action. Trees coming right through.
No air conditioning.
Oh. Gonna turn the air conditioning on, the lightage. So as you can see, you got a nice romantic setting for the boys.
Comfiest bed I've ever slept on in my life, by the way. Let me just demonstrate that for you. Oh!
That probably gave him a mild concussion. But, other than that, it's pretty nice.
So,
Want to give him a little room tour?
Yeah, man. Washroom's pretty nice. Best part though, the shower's outdoor. Sorry, let me just call my
He's
monkey
calling
friend.
his mating partner. His mating partner who he showers with every day.
Come on, buddy.
He actually doesn't have any monkey friends.
Sorry, man, no monkey friends. I tried. I've been trying every morning, but
That's his nature
still
call.
doesn't work. But I'm gonna have a nice shower now.
He watched a 4-hour YouTube video on how to call a monkey, and that's all he learned.
This is how you tell. Come here, my friend. I'm still practicing, you know. I'm not really good at monkey yet.
Still warming up.
Still warming up.
Anyways, what's up next on tap here?
Okay, so because we have not had any food really for the day or anything to eat or anything at all, pretty miserable all day. That's why the vlog, I'm not gonna lie, is gonna be, which we apologize for, but you know, we had our moments. I'm living right now off some chicken and some rice and 2 cups of coffee. It's 5 o'clock. You know, I gotta eat. So we just asked a guy who does not speak English, we need taxi to And he's like, okay. Call us a cab, so we have a cab on the way. Actually, I can't show you guys that. Sorry, it's way too inappropriate. But yeah, we'll film a little bit more today. Probably not. I don't know. But if this is the end of the vlog, thank you. Subscribe and like. And I'm sure all the rest of the vlogs will be a lot better than today.